Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. Today the price line of Stellar has dropped from 42.5 cents to 36.9 cents. That is more than 13% in a single day. And now at this time the price line is moving at 39 cents. First of all, I want to give you some recap. Previously I shared this bullish shark move that the Stellar formed on the 2-day chart, and I shared this move at the Patreon, and then I also shared with you in the form of video as well. By the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and I'm sharing a lot more other trading ideas there on the daily basis as well. Now, if we take a look at this shark pattern that was formed on the 2-day chart, this is the link for the chart. And I was a bit late in catching this pattern because the price line completed this sharp move here and spiked even at the end of this buying zone and moved above the buying zone. But I was expecting that the price line will be moved back in the buying zone and we can have another chance to catch it from this potential reversal zone. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action did move down and give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone. And at this time, it is approximately it is moving at 39.1 cents. That is very, very close to this buying zone at this time. That starts from 38 cents and ends up to 30 cents. And our sell targets can be, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark, are 48.7 cents and it ends up to 69 cents. But I would be looking a more bigger target, and I'll show you why I am looking for the bigger targets. Now, first of all, if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then here we have the stochastic still bullish, and I was waiting for it, as I told you in my previous video as well. I was waiting for this directional movement to cross this positive directional index to cross up this negative directional index. That can be a really very strong buying signal, especially when the price line is moving in the buying zone of the bullish shark pattern on the 2-day chart. And if we place the MACD indicator here, then we can see that on the daily time frame chart it is turning more and more bullish, but still the price action is moving below this EMA 21 and 10 on the daily time frame chart. And on the weekly time frame chart, if we switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see that at this time the EMA 21 is working as a very strong resistance for the price action. Now, if we take a look at this broadening formation, as we have already seen this broadening formation in my so many previous videos as well, that whenever the price action is moving at the support and getting bounced by the support, it is forming higher highs every time. And previously we had the rally up to 79.8 cents. That is very close to 80 cents. That was my prediction. My prediction was 70 cents and it moved up to 80 cents. But this time I'm expecting, once it will be bounced back again, it can even hit the dollar, and easily it can also cross the dollar as well. But at this time the price action has broken down this support of this broadening formation, and it is moving between the support and resistance. Now this support of the broadening formation is turned into the resistance for the price action, and here we have an additional support of 100 simple moving average, and then we have the 200 simple moving average strong supports. And remember, this is the 2-day chart, not the daily time frame chart. And now the price action is moving between the resistance and the support of this resistance of the broadening formation and the support of the 100 simple moving average here. Now, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator on the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that the stochastic is very close to this oversold zone. And previously, whenever the stochastic gave the bull cross, this blue line crossed up this red line, that is a buying signal. We have observed some small rallies and also the powerful rallies as well. This time we can see that after this swing high we are at this swing low. Therefore, once we will receive a buying signal by the stochastic on this weekly time frame chart, then we can expect a very, very powerful rally from here, especially when the price line is moving in the buying zone of this bullish shark pattern on the 2-day chart. Sorry, this pattern has been formed on the 4-day chart, not on the 2-day chart. And this broadening formation is on the 2-day chart. And once the price action will be turned bullish, as we also have the 50 simple moving average support on the 4-day chart, and we also have on the 2-day chart the 100 simple moving average support. Definitely these moving averages are equal to each other, because the 4-day chart 50 simple moving average is always equal to the 100 simple moving average on the 2-day chart. Therefore, if you have already bought the stellar in this buying zone, according to this chart pattern, then you can set your stop loss as 50 simple moving average, or the rule for trading the harmonic pattern is to set your stop loss the maximum extent of the buying zone of the harmonic the buying zone of the harmonic pattern. And here we can see that we have this buying zone that starts from 38.9 cents and ends up to approximately 30 cents. However, in order to minimize the risk factor, I'm just giving you advice that you can use this 50 simple moving average as your stop loss. And I'm not looking for these targets. I would like to repeat it again, that I'm looking for this big move that can easily hit the $1 from here, once the price line will start its move to the upside from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.